Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can deactivate Instagram account. So let's go to Instagram. Then you have to click on bottom right corner a profile icon. Click on this profile icon, and then you have to click on top right corner three dash icon, which is beside the plus icon, this one. After clicking on this, you can see here settings and privacy. Click on the first option, settings and privacy. Then you will find a search bar here. Just click and write deactivation, and you will find here deactivation or deletion suggestions. So click on this. After that you'll find two accounts, so choose the Instagram one if you want to deactivate this one. Then click on continue. Make sure it is on this side, because this is deactivate account and this is for deletion. So if you want to deactivate, click on this and press continue. Here you have to put your Instagram password and click continue. Now you have to choose the reason why you are deactivating the Instagram account. You can choose anything. I'm choosing this one, and you'll find here continue. Click on this, and now if you click on the deactivation, this is the final. If you click on deactivate account, your Instagram account will be deactivated. Okay guys, so this is how you can deactivate Instagram account. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.